promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'll be showing you viewers how to get a clear, glowy, spotless skin like my face. As you can see, my face is free of acne. As you saw in the title, using fresh aloe vera. This is my fresh aloe vera plant and I purchased this from Whole Foods online, and it took about a week for it to get to me, but overall I'm excited. I paid about £8 for this aloe vera. I have been using it for the past 6 days and today is my 7th and final day, and I just wanted to come on camera to show you viewers that amazing and clear glowy skin I have going on. My face is spotless free. I usually get spots on my face throughout the week and sometimes dark spots here and there, and ever since I started using aloe vera I realized that it basically helps protect my skin, moisturizes my skin, and helps fade the dark spots away. So this is the aloe vera plant, and I will read a few research on Google actually, a few research on Google. So it says 6 reasons to put aloe vera on your face. So the first one is soothe sunburn. With anti-inflammatory and cooling properties, aloe vera gel is perfect remedy for sunburned skin. So if you're the type that just when you feel like your skin is being burned by the sun, just apply fresh aloe vera and naturally this dead skin will peel off gradually. It provides protective layer to the skin which helps retain moisture. Aloe is also rich in antioxidants and minerals which can help speed healing. In one study, it was found that aloe vera gel displays some anti-inflammatory effects superior to those of 1% hydrocortisone when applied over a 48-hour period. Researchers concluded that the gel might be useful in topical treatment of inflammatory skin conditions such as UV-induced skin redness. Aloe vera accelerates wound healing. This is something that I will say. I had a burn on my hand and I applied the aloe vera, and I don't know if viewers, it just worked. It healed my hand quicker than normal and I have no scar. This was a gradual process. It took over about a month for me to see no scar at all, but if you want to see results, just be patient. Have some anti-aging qualities as well. Reduce acne and infection. If you've got acne and you put aloe, it helps reduce it. You can read more about it on Google, and it lightens blemishes, and that is when you've got scars on your face. It helps reduce the scarring, so that is, it lightens blemishes. So let's get straight to the point. So today is my 7th day and I want you viewers to have a look at my face properly. I'll just go in details how I apply the aloe vera. As you can see, I've applied the aloe vera onto my face, all over my face, and also on my neck, because do not forget to apply good facial stuff. I applied all the gel onto my neck as well. I demonstrated it in the video. Take your time, apply, then leave on your face for about 30 minutes to an hour. Let it dry out, then wash it off. Exactly 30 minutes time, and what I want to do now is to basically use my damp lukewarm watered towel. Is very lukewarm. Apply my simple triple action spotless skin face wash. Yep, this is what I do every day, so this is gonna be included in my everyday facial routine. And now all I need to do is to Actually went to wash my face and my face is feeling nice and refreshed. I am really excited. I don't know if you can tell the glow on me. I feel more confident to come to camera without makeup ever since all my blemishes and dark spots is gone off my face because of this amazing fresh aloe vera plant. So this what I have right now is my L'Oreal face cream, and that's all I need to do. Apply my L'Oreal face cream. Do not forget your neck, viewers. So that is it for the day for me. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to thumbs up this video, and also do not forget to share. Let everyone know the secret trick about aloe vera, because aloe vera is very vital skincare that every person, regardless whether you're male or female, you need to add this into your skincare routine. Aloe vera is also good for circulation of blood, especially when you apply it on your scalp. It helps hair growth. I haven't tried that yet. I will be trying that pretty soon, and I'm loving the way my skin is glowing, viewers. I am so much in love with this aloe vera plant, and just for 7 days I can already tell the difference between my skin. My skin is glowing, my skin is vibrant, my skin is spotless. My skin, in fact, for my age, 31 years, I have a pretty good skin for my age. Hope you viewers did enjoy this video. Do not forget to click the thumbs up button, also click the subscribe button, and do not forget so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Hope you viewers did enjoy this video, and I'll see you viewers in my next. Have a lovely evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and be happy.